Hi, my name is Dave Andrews. Today I'm going to show you how to use Windows Flip 3D on Vista. Let's go to our computer. And Flip 3D is basically a method that allows you to switch between programs in a 3D way. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to open up several programs here, like my recycle bin, this folder, and a web browser as well. And I'm going to open up Windows Flip 3D. Now the way that you can do that is it's on your quick launch bar right here. I'm going to click to expand this and just click switch between windows. As you can see, all those windows have just gone into a sort of a side, sort of flipped 3D view. And I can use the arrow keys on my keyboard to sort between them. Notice how it also includes my desktop. If I was to choose this window here, basically that would minimize all of my windows and I'd get to my desktop. So basically just use the arrow keys to switch through them. Let's say I want to open this my desktop here, I'll just click on it and that'll open that particular window. If I want to switch again, I'll click on this one back here and that window will open up. It's that simple to use Windows Flip 3D to switch between your windows. My name is Dave Andrews, and I've just showed you how to use Windows Flip 3D on Vista.